Today, I will show you how to make an inverted tree diagram. Here, we have a sample sentence. A bunch of grizzly men with three gorgeous ladies from the nightclub went over the hills under the steel bridge across the vast lake beyond the treacherous valley in 2 hours. If you notice, there are words on the top of the words written on the sentence. To do an inverted tree diagram, you need to know first what kind of words written on the sentence. Sample. A is a determiner. Bunch is an adjective because it's described the noun men. Of is a preposition. Grizzly is an adjective because it's described the noun men. With is a preposition. Tree is an adjective because it's described the noun ladies. Gorgeous is an adjective because it also describes the noun ladies. From is a preposition. The is a determiner. Night is an adjective because it's described the noun club. Club is a noun. Went is a verb. Over is an adverb because it's described the verb. The is a determiner. Hills is the noun. Under is the preposition. The is the determiner. Still is the adjective because it's described the noun bridge. Across is a preposition. The is a determiner. Bus is an adjective because it's described the noun lake. Lake is a noun. Beyond is a preposition. The is a determiner. Treacherous is an adjective because it's described the noun valley. Valley is a noun. Within is a preposition. To is an adjective because it's described the noun ours. Ours is a noun. Before we continue, I have here the definition of the forms of the word that we discussed here. We have a determiner. Determiner is a word as an article, possessive, demonstrative, or quantifier that makes specific the denotation of a noun phrase. Adjective. A word belonging to one of the major form classes in any of numerous languages and typically serving as a modifier of a noun to denote quality of the thing's name, to indicate its quantity or extent, or to specify a thing as distinct from something else. Preposition. A function word that typically combines with a noun phrase to form a phrase which usually expresses a modification or predication. Noun. Any member of class of words that typically can be combined with determiners to serve as the subject of a verb, can be interpreted as singular or plural, can be replaced with a pronoun and refer to an entity, quality, state, action, or concept. Verb. A word that characteristically is the grammatical center of the predicate and expresses an act, occurrence, or mode of being that in various languages is inflected for agreement with the subject, for tense, for voice, for mood, or for aspect, and that typically has rather full descriptive meaning and characterizing quality, but is sometimes nearly devoid of this, especially when used as an auxiliary or linking verb. And adverb. A noun word belonging to one of the major from classes in any of the numerous languages, typically serving as a modifier of a verb, an adjective, another adverb, a preposition, a phrase, a clause, or a sentence, expressing some relation of manner, of quality, place, time, degree, number, cause, opposition, affirmation, or denial. And in English, also serving to connect and to express comment on clause content compared to adjunct, conjunct, disjunct. We already did the first step on doing the inverted tree diagram, the identification of the words. After that, the second step is to know how to place words on the tree. To answer this, we need first to know what is inverted tree diagram. Here, I have a short discussion on what is it. Here, we have the inverted tree diagram. It is composed of its own sentence and its two main branches. The NP, wherein the last word of the phrase is a noun, and VP, verb phrase, wherein the first word of the phrase is a verb. From these two main branch, the routing of the words will be started. We also use PP if there is a preposition on the phrase. This stands for prepositional phrase. If the next word after the preposition is a determiner or a noun, it will be a branch to a new noun phrase that can be connected to the prepositional phrase that been created. It can be also used on the verb phrase. It is the rule in the prepositional phrase in rerouting the word. Now let's answer the same sentence. First, we need to write the S for sentence. Then divide it in two branch. The NP, noun phrase, and the VP, verb phrase. Identify the words that joining the NP and the words on VP. Remember the rule. To identify the verb phrase is wherein the first word in the phrase is a verb. It will be the margin for the sentence and we can answer it. Here, went is the verb. The first word in the sentence is A. A is a determiner. So simply connect it to the noun phrase. The next word is bunch. Bunch is an adjective. Simply connect it then to noun phrase. The next word is of. Of is a preposition. So we will create a new phrase, a prepositional phrase. The next word is the men. Men is a noun. So we will create a new phrase, the noun phrase, then connect it to the prepositional phrase. We will create a new noun phrase and connect it to the prepositional phrase because men is a noun. The next word is with. With is a preposition, so we need to create a new prepositional phrase, then connect it to the noun phrase. The next word is tree. Tree is an adjective, so we will create a new phrase, a noun phrase, then connect it to the prepositional phrase. And gorgeous is also an adjective. And the next word is ladies. Ladies is a noun. Then simply connect it to the noun phrase. Then the next word is from. From is a preposition, so we will make a new phrase, a prepositional phrase. Lack of space. Write it here. PP. And the next word is the. The is a determiner, so we will create a new phrase, a noun phrase. The next word is night. Night is an adjective. And the last word on the noun phrase is the club. It is a noun. Now let's answer the words on the verb phrase. Our verb is went. Simply connect it to the verb phrase. Verb. Went. The next is an adverb, over. Connect it to the verb phrase. Over. The next word is the da. Da is a determiner, so we will create a new noun phrase, then connect it to the verb phrase. The next word is hills. Hills is a noun. Now, the next word is under. Under is a preposition. So we will create a new phrase, a prepositional phrase, then connect it to the noun phrase. The next word is the. The is a determiner, so we will create a new phrase, a noun phrase, then connect it to the prepositional phrase. Adjective is the word still. We will simply connect it to the noun phrase. The next word is a noun, bridge. We will connect it simply to the noun phrase. The next word is across. Across is a preposition, so we will create a new phrase, prepositional phrase. Again, lack of space. Write it here. Prepositional phrase. P. The next word is the. The is the determiner. So we will create another noun phrase. The. The next word is adjective, vast. Connect it to the noun phrase. The next word is lake. Lake is a noun. Connect it to the noun phrase. The next word is beyond. Beyond is a preposition, so we will create a new prepositional phrase, then connect it to the noun phrase. The next word is the. The is a determiner. So we will create a new phrase, a noun phrase, then connect it to the prepositional phrase. The next word is an adjective. Cesarus. Treacherous is an adjective. So we simply connect it to the noun phrase. The next word is valley. Valley is a noun, so connect it simply to the noun phrase. The next word is within. Within is a preposition, so we will create new prepositional phrase. The next word is to. To is an adjective. So we will create a new noun phrase and connect it to the prepositional phrase. And the last word is ours. Ours is a noun. Connect it to the noun phrase. Ours. Here is the inverted tree diagram of the sentence. A bunch of men with three gorgeous ladies from the nightclub went over the hills under the steel bridge across the vast lake beyond the treacherous valley within 2 hours. Thank you, sir.